गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट। बच्चों, आज हम लोग फिर से फूरियर सीरीज का क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं। आज का क्वेश्चन आपके स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा होगा। फाइंड द फूरियर सीरीज फॉर द फंक्शन एफ एक्स इज इक्वल 0 माइनस पाई इज लेस देन एक्स इज लेस देन 0 e टू दी पावर एक्स 0 इज लेस देन एक्स इज लेस देन पाई। आल्सो फाइंड द थ्री लिमिट ऑफ फंक्शन। Now the Fourier series of the function fx is equal a naught by 2 summation n is equal 1 to infinity a n cos nx summation n is equal 1 to infinity b n sin nx. This is equation first. Firstly, we have to find the value of a naught. A naught is 1 upon pi minus pi to pi fx dx by using property of definite integral minus pi to 0 fx is minus pi to 0 fx is 0 and 0 to pi fx is e to the power x. 0 and 0 to pi fx is e to the power x dx. 1 upon pi integration 0 to pi e to the power x dx. 1 upon pi e to the power x integration of e to the power x, that is e to the power x 0 to pi. Putting upper and lower limit, x replaced by pi and x replaced by 0, then 1 upon pi e to the power pi minus 1. This is a naught. Again find an. You know an is 1 upon pi minus pi to pi fx cos nx dx. Using property of definite integral minus pi to 0 fx is 0 cos nx dx plus 0 to pi fx is e to the power x cos nx dx. Now 1 upon pi 0 to pi e to the power x cos nx dx. Using formula, you know, integration e to the power x cos bx dx e to the power x upon a square plus b square a cos bx plus b sin bx. Here a is 1 and b is n. Using 1 upon pi e to the power x 1 plus n square, a means 1 cos nx plus n sin nx 0 to pi. You know, cos n pi minus 1 is to power n, sin n pi 0, cos 0 1 or sin 0 0. Putting upper and lower limit, 1 upon pi e to the power pi 1 plus n square cos n pi minus 1 is to power n sin n pi 0 minus e to the power 0 1 plus n square cos 0 1 sin 0 0. Finally 1 upon pi e to the power pi minus 1 is to power n minus 1 dividing by 1 plus n square. This is an 1 upon pi e to the power pi minus 1 is to power n minus 1 upon 1 plus n square or n square plus 1. Again find bn. Bn is equal 1 upon pi minus pi to pi fx sin nx dx by using property of definite integral minus pi to 0. Here fx is 0 sin nx dx 0 to pi here fx is e to the power x sin nx dx. Now bn is equal 1 upon pi integration 0 to pi e to the power x sin nx dx. Using formula, you know, e to the power x sin bx dx is equal e to the power x upon a square plus b square, a sin bx minus b cos bx. Here a is 1 and b is n, that is 1 upon pi e to the power x upon 1 plus n square sin x minus n cos nx. 0 to pi, putting upper and lower limit, 1 upon pi e to the power pi 1 upon 1 plus n square, 0 sin pi 0, n cos pi n minus 1 raised to power n minus e power 0 upon 1 plus n square sin 0 0 minus n cos 0 1. 1 upon pi 1 plus n square common minus n e power pi minus 1 raised to power n plus n. Finally, you know, n 1 minus e to the power pi minus 1 raised to power n upon pi 1 plus n square. This is bn. आपने a naught bn an and bn फाइंड आउट कर लिया है. पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ a naught an and bn in equation 1, we have fx is equal a naught 1 upon pi e to the power pi minus 1 dividing by 2. चेक कर लीजिए प्यारे बच्चों. a naught 1 upon pi, okay, an 1 upon pi summation n is equal 1 to infinity e to the power pi minus 1 is to power n minus 1 dividing by pi 1 plus n square cos nx. Okay. Next, summation n is equal 1 to infinity n 1 minus e to the power pi minus 1 is to power n upon pi 1 plus n square sin nx. आप इसको एक्सपांड कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज कॉमन भी निकाल सकते हो. यही इसका आंसर होगा बच्चों. अब यहां पर also find 3 limit of function. Sum of series 8x is equal 0, fx is 1 by 2 f0 plus 0 plus f0 minus 0. Here function is 0 minus pi is less than x is less than 0, e power x 0 is less than x is less than pi. X is greater than 0, e power 0 1, e power 0 1, and less than x is less than 0 0 means fx is 1 by 2. ये first limit. Again sum of series 8x is equal plus minus pi, then fx is equal 1 by 2 f minus pi plus 0 plus f pi minus 0. Here f minus pi plus 0 means 0 और 0 is less than x is less than pi, ग्रेटर में है लेस देन में है ये e to the power pi. Then फाइनली एफ एक्स इज इक्वल ए टू दी पावर पाई डिवाइडिंग बाई 2। तो यही 3 लिमिट्स है फंक्शन का, इसी को फाइंड आउट करना था। तो बच्चों मुझे उम्मीद है यह भी आपको पसंद आएगा। ठीक है, आज का क्लास यहीं तक रखेंगे प्यारे बच्चों। थैंक यू।